Hi guys, wish you all a very happy Deepawali. I hope this Deepawali all your fears and negative thoughts turn into dust and only positive vibes remain. So with that, I want to make a very small announcement. Please watch the video till the end. As you all might have been observing my channel that I have been continuously posting DSA related videos, that is the Love Bubber 450 questions series. So I just wanted to, add in more content to my channel and, I want to bring in topics like interview preparation, placement, how to get off campus placement. So I want to bring in people to talk in this channel. I already have few people I have met on LinkedIn. Some of my own friends are there who are in final year. So I want to bring them, and also on project work like to go to web development, become a front end back end developer, or go to app development, what all things you need, give you a good guidance as well as for myself. So it will be like a better learning process, because ultimately if you want to get a job, you need to also do development, and you should be having other skill set also. And more importantly, even in competitive programming, how to increase your level if you are really interested, how to increase your level to like maybe 1600 1800 on code forces, becoming grand contestant in at coder dp problems. So if you really have interest, then I can bring in certain people who will or who have already done all this, and they can tell you much better tips and tricks how to get there, because I still am not there. So please support me guys. You have been supporting me all this while for the Love Bubber series and other contest solutions. I've also made other topics, videos on other topics like sliding window, some number theory, and even I have made on general college life, college advice in Bengaluru, which college you should join, Karnataka CET exam, and even IIT JEE. So share it with your friends who are in 12th standard, 11th standard, or going to first year of engineering. Share it with all your friends in all the WhatsApp groups. Okay, so anywhere, even in Insta, Facebook, wherever. Okay, so please share and support me. I just want to start something new. And don't worry, this Love Bubber series won't stop. Every day I'll be posting. Every day I will be solving questions. We will complete 450 question series. Don't worry at all. So just because I'm starting something new, don't think I'm going to forget that. I won't forget. Every day I will be doing. Okay. So please be supportive and show your love. Like this video. More number of likes I will feel I should do it. Please like it and share it with all your friends. Okay. Don't forget to like and share. And if you're still not subscribed, subscribe and hit the like button. Please hit the like button, and sorry, the bell icon, because then you won't get notification and you might not watch it. Please watch the video till the end. I hope you watched it so far. If you did, really thank you. And happy Diwali once again. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.